on this way, clips, and all my hands, Mr. Episode, Admin, Monica, Mr. Admin, Omega, and Mr.
Yeah, so I think I was trying to tell you guys, I'm going to show you a quick little 5-minute hairstyle. I'm going to go ahead and do her hair. I don't know, do you want braids or do you want pigtails? Something quick and easy to get her out through the door. I'll figure it out in a second. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a quick tutorial and something you can do to get your toddler out through the door. Right? Yes? High five? Yeah! Alright, let's get started. The trick for you to be able to do their hair without them throwing a fit is you give them some snacks. So she has some grapes right there. Or you give them a coloring book so that they can color and keep busy while you go ahead and do their hair, and you'll be done in no time. So it's a quick 5-minute hairstyle. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do Kylie's pigtail puffs, which is one of her go-to hairstyles. So I'm working on old hair today, and I basically just took down a ponytail she was rocking the day before. You can see her little curls are a little dry and matted. So to start off, I dampen her hair a little bit, then I part it straight down the middle. Now every now and then I'll do a little zigzag part to switch things up a bit, but I just part and I carefully separate the hair with my fingers, making sure I don't pull on her hair so it doesn't hurt her. Now you can always detangle the hair first before parting if you find that it's easier that way, but because her hair was previously styled and somewhat stretched, it wasn't really that tangled, which is why I'm able to get away with parting and separating with my fingers like this. So obviously the time it'll take you to do this style will vary depending on how much detangling you have to do, but for the most part when I work on Kylie's hair, it's either stretched from having it braided or twisted, so I don't have to do too much detangling and can typically just use my fingers to comb out her curls a bit and then just smooth her hair down with a paddle brush after moisturizing. So it literally takes me around 5 minutes to do this entire style. Well, that's if she cooperates and is not trying to run away from me. Let me see. Wait, I'm gonna do your yourself. Good job. So to create the puffs, I just spray her hair with water first, then I dampen it some more with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Kids Moisturizing Detangler. Now, if you're on a budget, you can just kind of skip this product and use the water alone to dampen the hair and then just move on to the next step. I just personally like using this spray because it has extra moisturizing agents. But again, just using water and the cream will still be enough to keep your little one's hair moisturized, if that makes sense. So after her hair is nice and damp, I apply the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream. I love this product because it does such a great job in moisturizing her hair, and a little bit goes a long way since it's so thick and creamy. So the jar normally does last me a while. Now I always apply a little bit of oil to seal in the moisture after this step, but I didn't seem to record that part. But I'll either use jojoba oil, avocado oil, or some Jamaican black castor oil, especially around her edges. But I just work the products all throughout her hair, and again, I can sometimes get away with just finger combing her hair, and then I'll go straight into smoothing it down with the bristle brush. But if you do need to detangle your little one's hair some more, you can always use a wide tooth comb and then detangle from ends to roots. You can hold a section of hair in between your fingers to take off some of the tension on their scalp from all the tugging and pulling that you're doing. That way they don't start crying. Then you can just smooth the hair into a high or low ponytail with a bristle brush.
3, 4, 5. What this?
You have more stuff right here?
1,
2,
3, 4, 5,
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then 11,
1,
12.
2, 3, 4. Let's start.
Good job. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then $5.
Wow.
6.
Now, 1 new, 1 got the picture.
Now, try not to get a bristle brush that has hard bristles so it doesn't hurt them when you're smoothing down their hair. So the bristles on this brush aren't soft or hard. It's just right in between. So I got the brush from Sally Beauty Supply, and I'll link everything in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Now, I don't normally use edge gel on her unless we actually have somewhere important we need to go. So I'll either just leave her as is, or I'll apply a little bit more of the cream on her edges and brush them down. Then I'll use a scarf to lay down her edges. That typically works for her as long as she doesn't rub her hair up against something. So after I put her hair in the ponytail, I just fluff and shape out the curls with my fingers, and that's it. A quick, easy style you can create on your little one to get them out through the door in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up so more people can find it. Comment below and let me know what other toddler videos you guys would like to see. I hope you guys enjoy our little mommy and me clips coming up, but thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes, you are. You're beautiful.
Beautiful.
You're gorgeous.
And gorgeous.
You're awesome.
We're awesome.
You're smart.
It's smart.
Yes, you are.
But you are. And yeah,
You're beautiful.
beautiful.
You're gorgeous.
And gorgeous.
You're smart. Oh, you look so cute. We finished?
Orange. Orange.
You finished?
What's that?
Hmm?
Orange.
Which one's orange?
Orange.
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 Good job.
Orange. Yellow.
You want to sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Spiker. Okay. Everything in the spiker. What boy sparkle. Take on the mommy. Wanna show around. I can the fire. Show away. Everything in the spiker. What boys get.
Yay! Good job.
And yeah.
You want to sing it again? All right, we are all done. You see?
Put in the spiker.
You want to sing Itsy Bitsy Spider again?
Spiker.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Everybody in the spiker. What boy sparkle. Take on the mommy. Wash around. I get the sorrow. Jow away. Everybody in the spiker. What boy stay.
You like it? Oh, beautiful hair. You're so beautiful.
You're on the noise.
Can I take a picture?
I'll get the picture.
You want to take a picture? You're so cute.
You care.
Yeah, you're cute. Can I take a picture of you?
You want the picture?
Say cheese. That's your smile? Cheese.
Shh.
All done with the tutorial. A quick 5-minute hairstyle to get Charlotte out through the door. Literally takes me less than 5 minutes to do this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You want to say bye, guys? Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Did you like your hair? You like your hair?
You here?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Yeah, you're beautiful.
I'm gorgeous.
Yes, you're gorgeous.
I'm smart.
You're super smart.
You're awesome.
You're awesome too.
You're the vegetable.
Yes, you are. High five. Yes. Can I have a kiss? Oh, you want to take a picture? You want to take a picture? Say cheese. Ready? Cheese. Oh, you're so beautiful.
I'm showing the two.
All right, say bye, guys.
Bye.